Okay, now we are actually going to find the IQR of the following data. So, we're given raw data. Anytime I see data, I know I need to put in order from least to greatest. I notice the data is not in order, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in order. I see 2 1s, 1 3, a 4, 2 6s, 7, 8, 10, 11, 11, 12, 15, 15, and there are 3 17s. So now I have put my data in order from least to greatest. To find the IQR, I know that I need to find the difference of the top half and the bottom half. However, I don't know that yet. So let's go ahead and name our data. I know that my first number is the smallest number in the data set. I'm going to call this number my minimum. And I know that if that is my minimum, then my last number, or my largest number, should be the maximum. So my minimum is 1 and my maximum is 17. Now, to find the IQR, I must first ask myself, what is the median of the data? I know that the median is the center value in a data set, and it's in the ordered data set. So let's go ahead and walk your way into the center and see where you end up. Great. What number did you get? Did you get 10? Because 10 is the median. Let's go ahead and check to make sure. I know I can check to find if that's the median by making sure that they have the same number of values on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So I'm going to label this one. I'm going to label 10 the median. Next, I ask myself, what is the median of the lower quartile? So the lower quartile. Let's find our way into the center. Want the median of the lower quartile. I see that the median is 4 and 6. Notice there's 3 on each side. The number in between 4 and 6 is 5, and so 5 must be my lower quartile. Next, I want to find the median of the upper quartile. So I ask myself, what is the median of the upper quartile? I can walk my way into the center. 11, keep walking in, and it's 15 and 15. I know that the number between 15 and 15 is, 15. So 15 must be my upper quartile, and I can label that as Q3. Now that I have found my median, my lower and upper quartile, I can find the IQR. I know I can, in order to find the IQR, I can find the difference between the upper quartile and the lower quartile to get my IQR. So let's go ahead and subtract. I know my upper quartile is 15. My lower quartile is 5, which means the IQR must be 10. Great. So now on your next problems, as you go and find the IQR, make sure to ask yourself, make sure you place the values in order from least to greatest. You identify the upper and lower quartiles, and you find the difference between them to get the IQR.